Gilsaminni, and I am a self-taught cook who has traveled the world.
And I'm Dave Sloan, adventure traveler and passionate lifelong fisherman.
It's a good size sail right here.
Got another nice sailfish on his spinning rod.
He's shaking his head. I can feel him moving his bill, and that's really what we got to be careful of. Great job to you, man. Thank you so much. That was awesome. These guys, Nick and Chris, definitely put me on the fish today. It's just so cool to be fishing out here.
I'm gonna try to figure out some local flavors so that I can cook all that fish you're gonna cook. Today we are making a coconut-crusted kingfish.
The sign says open. It's time to get some wine.
Yeah, I think that this would also be a really nice pairing for what you're
Let's
doing.
do them both.